You can't comprehend what is going on right now. Genuinely, you do not know what's going on. BTC is at 99,000 US dollars. Bitcoin is at 99k. Bitcoin dominance, if we go over to Bitcoin dominance, is falling whilst Bitcoin is rising. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that actually means? We're at 90 on the altcoin season index. Peasants are going to become millionaires. You don't understand what's coming. You genuinely don't understand what's coming. Look at the flipping markets, bro. Look at the markets, bro. Everything's pumping. Everything's green over the last 7 days. We may be in extreme greed. We may be at 78, but this chart's going to break once you see what Bitcoin and all the altcoins are going to do. And if we look at liquidations, don't get me wrong, there's more long liquidations, but at this point in time, it doesn't even matter because there's enough shorts in the market for us to fly higher. If we go over to Twitter, bro, this is crazy. This is genuinely mad. You wait for a period of time, and when you see it happen, when you genuinely see it happen, you almost can't believe it. Jerome Powell is talking about Bitcoin is not a competitor for the dollar, it's a competitor for gold. But gold and Bitcoin are more so money than the dollar. G, get your head straight. Lack of faith in the financial system. That is how people think about it, G. Speculative. We're using it as payment. We're using it as a store of value. Brother needs his brother needs everything checked. Bro, get it checked. Get it checked ASAP, my guy. Laffy's saying we're gonna correct. Correct to what though? He's thinking to about 88k. Nobody's right. Nobody can get this right. Nobody can get this market right. Not one person has predicted what's going to happen. They might have predicted it going up and down and chopping, but they didn't predict 100k Bitcoin. They didn't predict Bitcoin dominance going down. Look at this. Get ready for another wave of altcoin pumps. Mudeng is on Coinbase. Mudeng's pumped though. Ethereum is exploding. He's thinking a 16k target. Donald Trump has officially nominated pro-Bitcoin and crypto Paul Atkins to replace Gary Gensler as the next US SEC chair. This is ultra bullish for crypto. Watching it play out in real time. What if I told you we're at disbelief? Imagine we're at disbelief and we're going to go higher and higher and higher. Optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria. Mogcoin's gonna get its listing as well on Coinbase. The bull has started. It won't stop for a long time. Accept it, lean into it, invest, take profit, buy cool stuff. Alt season, bruh. If you're not selling alts, you're doing trading business wrong. I do not believe that is the case. Imagine buying altcoins to sell for now. Nah, man. That's mental. It can stay here for months. It can actually stay here for months. Yeah, XRP you sell, but you don't sell things that may fly towards the back end of the market. It's mixed though. If you want to take some profits off the table, take them, but I'm not here to take profits right now. I can't lie. I feel like we're just getting started. We are living in a bull run in the currency season regardless of the names, but it all comes down to us seeing big increase in currencies and Bitcoin is somewhat stable. Bull run is based on a constant feeling of fear of missing out. You can't catch up and you don't know where the currency will go up from. So the best thing is to enter and confirm your coins. Do your research ASAP. You ain't got time. You've got 1 to 2 months. Do your flipping research, see who's behind the project, see what projects you want and why you want them, and then buy. Otherwise, just stay sidelined because you don't know what's going on. Highest level is at 90. Ethereum's breaking 3800. BNB's flipping soul. Ethereum's the play. The worst feeling is missing out on a bull run. I swear, the regret of knowing you didn't go all in or knowing you didn't take the risk will eat you alive. You will literally struggle to sleep. You'll watch others make life-changing profits while you're stuck thinking that could have been me. The pain of not making it is stronger than the joy of actually making it. The bull run is your chance. F it up and you'll spend the next decade wondering what you could have been. Don't let that be your story. Make your move before it's too late. Lesson 1 to avoid pain: don't buy the pump. This is facts. Many traders and investors who jumped into this massive RSR move near the highs are regretting it today. Instead, focus on finding a solid support level and wait for a better entry. This is support. This is support. This is support. Patience pays off, and with any luck, RSR might recover, but why stress yourself when you can secure a much better position? Play it smart. And also, there's millions of opportunities. How many altcoins and meme coins are there? Don't jump into one. That's why I don't care about Brett. I sold Brett early, but I don't care. Because I don't care about Brett. As much as it would have made me money, there's always a better opportunity in the market. Bullish for Bitcoin. Mining difficulty just hit a new all-time high. BNB flying, Ton flying, Binance gonna lick PEPE, altcoin retail interest breaking out. So much money to be made, it's unreal. The total altcoin market cap surpassed the trillion zone and is currently within the 2021 alt season territory. We will see a full-blown alt season in the next 3 to 6 months. Cake, is time to run it back. Pancake swap. Is Pancake Swap flying? Yeah. It's like that, is it? It's like that, is it? Let's check Pancake Swap. BTC is going to struggle though. It's going to struggle to break that 100k region, but once it does, that's when craziness happens. Yep. Pancake Swap is looking juicy, I can't lie. It's looking juicy. Where'd it go up to? $43. I'm not buying that though. Would have bought it at the lows, but I ain't buying that. It'll give you some returns, but not enough for me, man. Am I getting greedy? Maybe. But I'm going to ensure my greed gets me paid. Never go all in. Dollar cost average is the key. Take your time and let your plays compound. Slow and steady wins a race. You're at the beginning of the end. Prepare your exit strategy. That's crazy. That's cold though. Soon as the banner and profile pic is changed to the new one on the OMI X page and the OMI symbol will appear on Ryoshi X page, he isn't going to put the present OMI symbol before the rollout of the new banner and website. It's after. Then we're going straight to a billion above. You know, I asked ChatGPT what Ryoshi's currently doing, and they said he's making another project. They said it's called Omikami, and then they had to backtrack on me when I said, is it definitely Ryoshi? But he stopped Shiba Inu, he stepped away. He's making another project. If that is Omikami, do you know what's going to happen? Do you genuinely know what's going to happen? In alt season at 90 with BTC touching 99k. Come on, bro. We're going to billions. After 7 years of support, USDT dominance has finally broken through its trend line as people dump the stables for Bitcoin and altcoins. Up. No matter how you look, you cannot ignore this giant couple handle consolidation triangle forming for Ethereum since November 2021. Target is 7.3k, and to be honest, currently it's broken out. It's actually broken out of that region, which is crazy because it's going to fly. TRX over USD facts. Injecting is about to go parabolic. $100 is programmed. Injective, eh? It's an AI coin that. I don't like AI coins because they're just meme coins. Wrapped in AI. Tinfoil. BNB just hit a new all-time high. Easy trade on Sundog. He bought it at the lows, you know. How much did he buy? Tron is pumping. Tron is pumping. I'm thinking about buying Tron Bull. Smart Money sells XRP positions right now and positions in Sol and Sui. Remember this. Solana, I think, is trying to file for an ETF, which is crazy. This guy's buying on eToro, a centralized exchange. This guy trying to get robbed. Get your money on a cold wallet, G. I don't know what you're doing. Sol, next up, all-time high. Solana ETF. Solana ETF, imagine. I think Solana's garbage though, but it's just good for crypto. Buying Bitcoin is like buying a company with no revenue that only has 21 million shares. Bro, are you dumb, bro? Gold has revenue, silver, but I wouldn't recommend those either. What about the stocks though? You can't even physically hold a stock. You can't hold it in cold storage. You can't go to a different country, make payments with a stock. How is that safe? You don't even fully hold the business. You can get robbed. Your money can get robbed off the exchange if they wanted it to, making out like it's safe. Banks are safe. That's why they go bankrupt. First time in 7 years we've broken convincingly below the USDT dominance trend. We are in uncharted waters. Just look at the strength of alts. The pullback we're seeing in crypto is nothing. Corrections as large as 20 to 30% is normal. Don't expect 20k pumps without 20k dumps. Enjoy the volatility. This is where real money is made. If you're an investor, not a trader, you shouldn't care about nailing rotations. Your goal is to position yourself in quality assets that you believe are fundamentally undervalued and align with general macro bias beliefs of the market. The money will sort itself out. Fact. This is what Solana meme coin gambling gets you. My mate put 1 Solana into each of these a day ago. This is how it's going. Lost on all of them. All of them. Ethereum's going to fly 15 to 24k target. Bruv. MOG is getting obviously the Coinbase listing, which we discussed yesterday, but bit of alpha for you to help your future planning. Most alts work like this. One sector significantly outperforms, market eventually dumps, and meta shifts. The coin that holds up the best during the dump usually outperform on recovery. That's facts, bro. But I'm in on the memes. Memes are going to go crazy. I don't really care about AI and stuff like that when memes are guaranteed money. And if we look at my plays currently, what I'm holding is this. So if you go over to TradingView, I'll give you a little sneak peek because you've waited till the end of the video, like some real bad men and G's. And because I'm feeling lucky, I'll give you a few plays. So Omikami, this is my best play of the cycle. 23 million, proper project, nobody pumping and dumping. Letting it play out organically. It's going to get the exchange listing, and when it does, you're going to make hella money. Just depends on how much money you're going to make. Because if Ryoshi's behind it, you're probably going to get 30 billion market cap. It's kind of crazy. I'm undercutting though. I'm not waiting until 64 bill when everyone exits. He could even go to 100 bill. Don't get me wrong. But if we have a little look at Redo, this is pumping. It's causing a little bit of a consolidation period down at the bottom. I'd buy on a dip, not when it's going up. And it just shows about Pavel Durov and his journey and Telegram and free speech. And it's just a fight against and a resistance against the Matrix and all that jive. Do your own research. But I think the TON ecosystem will pump. It's only at 274 million TVL at the moment. However, if it gets more money into it, which it does look like it wants to do, it wants to push back to all-time highs, and if it breaks it, sort of does what Tron did, because Tron is pumping today. If we look at Tron against the US dollar, look how flipping hard that's pumped. Look at how flipping hard Tron has pumped against the US dollar. It's actually tanking hard, you know. A play on Tron would be Tron Bull. I've actually been looking at this because they have insane Twitter. Tron Bull has an insane Twitter. Why are the prices all wrong? That is so annoying. Yeah, 0.33. It's tanked even further. Let me check that on my phone. It can't have tanked further. There's no flipping way in hell, right? If that's tanked further, that is crazy business. Nah. It's about the same. I think these prices are just botched. Yeah, but if we look at TON, I'm not going to give away everything here. However, yeah, about $7. If this starts pumping, Redo can do a madness because that's the #1 meme coin on TON. And then we're looking at Casper, because fundamentally speaking, if you actually research Casper, Casper is hard, man. Casper is hella nice. Casper's beautiful. 16 cents. Proof of work, completely decentralized. You have to mine the Casper. It has halvings. It's just a very good project, and it's consolidating like Bitcoin did. What happened when Bitcoin consolidated for this long, this period of time? You tell me what happened. What happens after this? It flies. If it breaks the trend line, if it breaks out, we're going to break 40 cents, then we're going to $1. Bring me a dollar Casper, bro. I want to see it. I want to see it.